Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, and I will try to give you a very honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Alamo. Alamo is a popular vehicle booking platform where you can book your vehicle according to your needs and wants. Whether you want to book the car for business travel, whether you want to book the SUVs or even trucks and vans, the Alamo got you covered. It has a lot of features, and one of its key features is its seamless reservation system where you can book your car or reserve the car or even cancel any of your vehicle reservation. Its user interface is very friendly. Apart from this, Alamo comes with another really good feature, which is its feature car rental deals, where you can see the book entry or the last minute deals and take benefit from them. Apart from this, Alamo is very much suitable for someone who is a frequent traveler or just want to book any vehicle on urgent basis. So these are the key features of Alamo. And if we look at the downside, I would say in the peak travel time, you might have to wait a bit way longer than you can think. So do take care of this before booking your vehicle. Alamo provides with a lot of features. For instance, you can book the vehicle for even your traveling or book even luxury vehicle for your business luxury travels. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and if you guys want me to review any other platform, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make the reviews of as much products as I can, but since I cannot review every single product you send my way, so I have created a document that will help you out to do the research on your own and qualify any site or product before buying or using it. So do check out that document in the description below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.